Union Minister Rajiv Chandrasekhar in the thick of the action. How is the response and your thoughts here?
It is very clear. It is very clear from the people's response that Tamil Nadu is going to see a decisive tectonic political change in these elections. Our party president Annamalai has really enthused the imagination of all the voters of Tamil Nadu, and I'm absolutely certain in these forthcoming elections the BJP is going to seriously change the political arithmetic of Tamil Nadu.
Coimbatore also has a sizable Malayali population. A little bird tells me you've been engaging with them through the day.
No, I engage with every voter, every Indian, Malayalis, Tamilians, Kannadigas. Absolutely, there's no restriction to who I engage with. But the message is same, whether it is a Malayali or a Kannadiga or a Tamilian. It is that this time it is a mandate for Narendra Modi ji. It is a mandate to continue our development and continue our journey to a Viksit Bharat.
Annamalai is on the streets in Tamil Nadu. Are you going to be taking the streets in Kerala soon?
No, look, our party, whatever my leaders tell me, I will do. I am looking forward to contesting the Lok Sabha. Which seat and where, my leadership will tell me.
Another aspect we are seeing, Annamalai has openly said that he would want to do away with the HRNC law in Tamil Nadu, and he's been very vocal about it. What do you think about the Karnataka Act that's come forth?
No, I said this today in the morning when this came to attention, that this is like the return of the jizya tax. There used to be a time in the medieval India where to be a Hindu you had to pay a tax, and it is the same. And to top it, it is almost like the Hindus are being forced to pay 10% of their donations to temples to fund DK Shivkumar and Siddaramaia's corrupt politics. This is a combination of appeasement and corruption coming to the fore. And when you think that the Congress can't go any lower, they surprise you and go even lower than when they were lower the previous day.
Wait, you speak Kannada, you speak Malayalam, Tamil pesvingla?
But I don't need to know Tamil to know the excitement and feel the buzz among the crowd here.
39 seats of the Lok Sabha, Rajiv Chandrasekhar ji, you think the BJP will be able to make a foray this time, breach the Dravidian wall?
Ab ki baar 400 par is the line that we are going with. It is a belief that our Prime Minister has given us, and every Karyakarta will work to that target.
For Tamil Nadu, especially the 39 seats, you think we'll be able to do something? There is traction?
We will certainly change the political arithmetic and algebra, the conventional that was dominated by the Dravidian party, the DMK. There is certainly tremendous momentum behind Annamalaiji's campaign, and there's a lot of support for change in Tamil Nadu, and I am very, very sure that there will be a decisive change in the political mathematics and the political makeup of Tamil Nadu politics.
Well, he is right behind you in the thick of all the action. Rajiv Chandrasekhar ji, thank you for speaking with us. Thank you. We also have Union Minister Sri L. Murugan ji also. Sir, namaskaram, vanakkam. How do you see the response here for the Yatra, En Makkal Yatra?
So this Yatra is getting, now we are going to this the last end stage. So that Yatra, when they started, the momentum is big momentum created. The people are supported like anything. The people are welcoming wherever we go, wherever the Yatra is participated. The people voluntarily they come and they participated. You see, our Yatra's main motto that we are taking to the public a message to the failure of the DMK government, and also they are taking our Prime Minister's achievement to the public through
social media hype nu solranga. They say the social media hype 39 seat lo onnum kadikadhu, nothing, you will not going to get anything.
You are seeing here how the people, how the youngsters, how the Mahila, how the youths, they are supporting this, and Ruska's welcome, how they are welcoming here. They are coming and they want to see, they are supporting the BJP, they are supporting the Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, and our President Annamalai's Yatra is make a huge impact in this, our Tamil Nadu. This last time we took one Vetrivel Yatra, we entered 4 assembly seats. This time we are going to enter, including Pondicherry, 40 Lok Sabha seats. Our NDA will go there and we will win all NDA.
So you are confident that this is not just a street phenomenon, but it will translate into votes and Lok Sabha seats in Tamil Nadu, because Dravidian wall is something you should not be able to breach.
So that and all, now that is, we can tell in Tamil as in Maya. These people are realizing that Dravidian parties, particularly DMK, is looting party, DMK is corrupt party, DMK is dynasty party. So the people don't want DMK, the people want progressive, the people want development, the people want achievement government by the Prime Minister.
But the
Shri Narendra
BJP
Modi.
without the ADMK, you think can make an impact here? My last
See
question.
that alliance, regarding the alliance, our central command, they will announce that right time. So I don't want any comment.
Thank you very much. How much of an impact is the N1 Makkal Yatra made on ground? You see Annamalai ji meeting a lot of people, so let me ask.